Ugh, where's everything healthy? It feels like all I have left are those brightly colored boxes and bags promising convenience and flavor explosion. But seriously, are these things even food anymore? Hey everyone, welcome back to Wise Wellness Wisdom. Today, we're tackling a topic that might surprise you: ultra-processed foods. These are those hyper-convenient, shelf-stable items that seem like a lifesaver, but can actually be your health's worst nightmare. Don't worry, this won't be a boring lecture on healthy eating. Think of it as a food detective mission. We're going to uncover the sneaky ingredients hiding in these processed foes, and by the end, you'll be a healthy food superhero, ready to stock your kitchen with real, whole foods that make you feel amazing. We've all been there, reaching for those chips that promise a flavor explosion, or that frozen dinner that seems like a weeknight win, even that afternoon soda that feels like a pick-me-up. But here's the thing, ultra-processed foods are heavily manipulated from their natural state. Imagine a freshly picked apple versus a bag of pre-sweetened apple slices. Big difference, right? Ultra-processed foods are often loaded with added sugars, unhealthy fats, sodium, and artificial ingredients. They might taste amazing, but they offer very little in terms of actual nutrients your body needs. Now, you might be wondering, what about all those healthy-looking packaged snacks? Great question. Let's be honest, this yogurt parfait looks pretty good, right? It's got fruits, granola, yogurt, but hold on a second, see that? Added sugars and those seemingly healthy granola clusters, often loaded with unhealthy fats and added sugars too. Don't be fooled by clever marketing. Always check the ingredient list. If it reads like a chemistry textbook, it's probably best to leave it on the shelf. Before we dive into the list, let's take a quick break. Hit that like button and let me know in the comments below if you've ever been surprised by the ingredients in a seemingly healthy food. Did you think you were making a healthy choice, but then discovered it was packed with hidden sugars or unhealthy fats? Share your experience. Alright, we're back. Now, let's get down to business and unveil these ultra-processed food foes. But before we jump in, I gotta share a joke my daughter told me the other day. She goes, "What kind of tea is hard to swallow?" Reality tea. Hilarious, right? Well, some of the truths we're about to uncover might feel a bit like reality tea, but knowledge is power. So smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single episode on your journey to becoming a wise wellness warrior. Okay, now let's go through the list. Number 1, sugary drinks. Soda, sport drinks, energy drinks, loaded with sugar and artificial ingredients. Studies show a link between high sugary drink consumption and increased risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. The American Heart Association recommends limiting added sugars to 25 grams per day for women and 36 grams for men. Just one can of soda can pack in way more than that. Number 2, sugary cereals, often marketed towards kids. These are packed with added sugars and refined grains. A study published in the journal Nutrients found a connection between sugary cereal consumption and a higher risk of childhood obesity. Remember, a healthy breakfast sets the tone for your entire day. Choose options high in fiber and protein to keep you feeling full and energized. Number 3, processed meats, hot dogs, deli meats, sausages. These are convenient, but often loaded with sodium, nitrates, and nitrites, which have been linked to an increased risk of certain cancers. The World Health Organization recommends limiting processed meat consumption. Opt for lean protein sources like grilled chicken, fish, or beans instead. Number 4, instant noodles. Seem like a quick and easy meal, but often contain a shocking amount of sodium and unhealthy fats. Studies have shown a correlation between frequent instant noodle consumption and an increased risk of heart disease. There are plenty of healthy, quick meal options. Explore frozen veggie stir fries or pre-chopped veggies you can throw together with a lean protein source. Number 5, frozen pizzas. A weeknight dinner staple for many, but typically loaded with unhealthy fats, sodium, and refined carbohydrates. They offer very little in terms of essential nutrients. Whip up a homemade pizza with whole wheat crust, fresh vegetables, and a lean protein source like grilled chicken or lean ground turkey. It's healthier and tastier. These are just a few of the ultra-processed food foes lurking in our pantries. Remember, friends don't let friends eat these. By making informed choices and opting for real, whole foods, you're investing in your health and well-being. Stay tuned for future episodes where we'll delve deeper into healthy eating and fun ways to fuel your body for a fantastic life.